Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic, presence of mind, a question of action, is inspired by my brother, Martin Thompson. His life story exemplifies the essence of this topic. Let me begin by telling you a story, a personal one. A story that has profoundly shaped the way I view my role in this world. It was on a biting, cold evening that I saw her. An older woman, her arms shaking as she tried to balance the weight of her groceries. Like shadows at dusk, people passed her by, myself included. Yes, I passed her by. Yet, something tugged at me, a silent voice that made me stop in my tracks. Have you ever felt that pull, that tug, that quiet whisper of conscience urging you to act? I returned to the woman, and the simple act of helping her with her bags, of ensuring she reached home without burden, seemed like a drop in the ocean to me. But to her, it was the ocean in a drop. Can you recall a time when a small act of kindness felt like a lifeline thrown to you? I can. I have had a lifeline thrown to me many times in my life. This experience has led me to ask some certain questions, questions that I can now turn over to you, questions that I am now asking you. When was the last time you acted upon that gentle nudge of your conscience? Have you ever considered that the smallest act of kindness, the smallest gesture, could carry the weight of the world for someone else? We often let the momentum of our daily hustle blind us to the quiet struggles unfolding around us. But what would happen if we choose not to rush past? What if instead we choose to be the embodiment of the change we often speak about? As I speak to you today, I am not suggesting that we can all be heroes every day, but what if we could be heroes for just one moment, for just one person? Isn't that in itself a monumental triumph? We all possess this incredible power, the power to transform a moment, a day, or even a life. But do we recognize it? Do we acknowledge that with our abilities, our resources, our time, we hold the keys to someone else's relief? I challenge you, each of you. Today, I challenge you, as I often challenge myself. Will we be the observers or the ones who step forward? Will we choose to be vigilant, to be the hands that reach out, the feet that pause to stand by another? Let us make the presence of mind more than a concept, more than just mere words. Let us make it a commitment to action, a way of living. Can we cultivate a reflex of kindness and instinct to support? I want you to imagine for one moment a world where compassion isn't a choice but a habit, where no one hesitates to help. Can we together take this step from self centeredness to societal awareness? Let us be the catalyst for others to believe in the goodness of humanity, Let us not just speak of a better world, but act to create it. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.
A collision with purpose, in pursuit of purpose.